going to show you how to use your Gatsby magic strips with the effects powder. And for that you're going to need your base coat, top coat and jet. You're also going to need your effects powder in glistening gold, in silver dazzle, and my favourite, oyster sparkle. And as usual, always pop your effects powder a little bit in the lid. This prevents contaminating your pot with other colours and also makes it a lot less messy. For the Gatsby strips, we're going to use this design here. And we're going to use it in a much different way than we've used them before. We're actually going to remove them before the end of our design. So I'll show you how. So I have squeaky cleaned and prepped my nail and applied my base coat. So I'm going to apply a layer of jet. Application thin, neat, and capping your free edge. And cure that. Now apply your second layer of jet and cure that. So next I'm going to take my Gatsby strip. I'm going to use a slightly larger one than the nail. And you're going to press that onto the sticky layer of your nail. And try to get it quite central. You can move it around once you've got it on. And gently press it down. And don't worry that the nail's slightly sticky and you're touching it, that's fine. Next you're going to take your effects powder and your brush and apply in 3 zones of the nail. So first at the back here I've used oyster sparkle. Take a small amount and press it in. And don't worry that there's loose bits of powder falling down, that adds to the effect. And then take your second shade, and that's the super sparkly silver dazzle. Press that in. And then finally, your glistening gold. I find that these colours blend really nicely together and give you a really sparkly effect. And then gently dust down again, removing any excess. And don't worry that you can see powder here on the sticker because we're now about to peel that off. Gently remove it. And there will reveal your Gatsby print. You can discard your sticker because you won't need that anymore. And then apply a layer of top coat. Now if you have dusted your nail enough and removed all of the excess effects powder, there'll be no powder here to drag down the nail with your top coat and nothing that will get into your top coat bottle. And cap your free edge. With the designs, when you apply top coat and it covers a lot of the nail, you need to make sure that you cap your edges and cover everywhere. If you don't, then you'll remove your effects powder when you wipe it with your wipe off. Cure that. Now I'm going to take a wipe off and remove the sticky layer and any excess effects that have stuck to the finger. And that's a real test to check that you do get your top coat everywhere. And there's your Gatsby effects design.